Thomas's Big Birthday Adventure. On the 30th of May, you can celebrate Thomas's 80th birthday in style with a fun-packed day on the Nene Valley Railway.
Thomas will be carrying passengers between Peterborough and Wansford.
There will also be barbecue food available for purchase on our platform and entertainment on board for all guests. 2025 celebrates 80 years since the first Thomas stories were published. Book your tickets today to avoid confusion and delay. Little engines can do big things, so join us for an adventure on the 30th of May.